respected teachers and all my dear friends. I, Nauman Kharuja, going to deliver a speech on Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was born in Nadiad, Gujarat on October 31st in 1875. He was born to a middle class family and had 5 siblings. His father name was Hevarbai and his mother was Lagba. He started his early education at Karamsad and Petla. Apart from the education he received from school, he was mainly self-taught. He was voracious reader and learned subjects by borrowing books from his friends. He married to Sardar Patel when he was 16 to 17 years old. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel is known as Iron Man of India. He was India's first deputy prime minister. He was first home minister of independent India and played a very important role in building India as secular nation. He was an active political leader who marked his participation in numerous movements. He said once can take the path of revolution, but the revolution should not give a shock to society. There is no place for violence in the revolution. He suffered a massive heart attack and died on 15 December 1950 and was awarded as the Bharat Ratna, the highest civilian award in 1991. In 2014, the Government of India declared 31st October the birthday anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel as Rashtriya Ekta Divas to honor the one of the founding father of independent India. Later, on his birthday anniversary on 31st October 2018, the Government of India dedicated the tallest statue in the world. The statue was titled as the Statue of Unity and was built at a cost of more than 2,000 crore. It is located in Gujarat near the Narmada River and was built by iron collected from overall country. The statue of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel is approximately 128 meters in height. Sardar Vallabhbhai's contribution in integrating 569 princely states into a newly independent India is unforgettable. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel's quote, "Work is worship, but laughter is life. Anyone who takes life too seriously must prepare himself for a miserable existence. Anyone who greets joy and sorrow with equal facility can really get the best of life." I would like to conclude my speech with interesting childhood story of Vallabhbhai Patel. He used to travel every day with his friends for school at NK High School and other people used to go for work at Petlas. On the way, there was a big stone that was hurting to the people, but no one was doing any work to move it away from the road. But one day, when he was going there, he stopped there and moved the stone by himself. He had a great helping idea of people from the early age. Patel was a selfless leader who placed the country's interest above everything else and shaped India's destiny with single-minded devotion. Thank you and have a nice day.